In the distal region, the radial shaft expands to form a rectangular end. The lateral side projects distally as the styloid process, and in the medial surface there is a concavity called the ulnar notch, which articulates with the head of ulna, forming the distal radio-ulnar joint. The radius articulates with the scaphoid and the lunate carpal bones to form part of the wrist. Lateral side extends to form the styloid process. The medial side that consists of a concave ulnar notch to articulate with the ulnar head in pronation. Posterior is convex and contains a prominent ridge called the listal tubercle that functions as a pulley to the extensor pollicis longus muscle and is an important landmark in the dorsal wrist capsulotomy. Anterior is smooth and forms a distinct margin. Distal radius is very prone to fractures and accounts for about 25 to 50% of all broken bones. It occurs most commonly in young males because of their heroic nature, I must say. Most commonly, fracture occur because of fall on an outstretched arm